Today we're talking about cleaning up your kitchen.
I know sometimes it's really hard to find motivation to start cleaning your kitchen, but sometimes all it takes is setting a timer for 10 minutes and just see how much you can get done within 10 minutes. You might surprise yourself. Even if you don't finish the kitchen in 10 minutes, this gives you the momentum to keep going. First things first, get everything out of the kitchen that does not belong. You can set everything right outside the kitchen area and deal with it later. Clean off your countertops, put everything away, and then start with the smelliest part of your kitchen, the trash can area. We're going to pull out all of the recycling, pull out all of the trash, and deep clean this area. This kitchen has a lot of wood, so we're going to use Murphy's Wood and Oil. I love this stuff. The best tip I can give for you in the kitchen is saturate everything first. Go around the kitchen and spray everything down, spray the countertops, the backsplash, and let it sit. The longer you let things sit, the easier it is it's going to be to clean. For the countertops and backsplash, we use Green Gobbler's orange oil, and for the stovetop, we're using Barkeeper's Friend. Now that you've applied all of your cleaning products to all of your surfaces, you're going to go back in the order that you sprayed everything down and wipe everything down. Working from left to right, top to bottom will help keep you focused as you move yourself around the room. We're wiping the table first and then the chairs. If you make a habit of quickly wiping down your chairs, when you wipe your table down, you won't have a lot of buildup to deal with later on. Working top to bottom, left to right can ensure that you clean areas that are often overlooked, like the tops of the cabinets and the backsplash. Wipe down your appliances as you go and make sure you're switching out your towel for a clean one ever so often. You want to make sure your towel is actually picking up the gunk off of the surface. We use microfiber towels for all of our cleanings. They are an essential tool in our cleaning caddy. This particular sink is made of black granite. It tends to hold water spots, especially if you have hard water. After you thoroughly clean your sink, you can wipe it down with mineral oil to protect it from scratches and hard water spots. And don't forget to scrub the drain and the drain plug. These get so nasty and smelly. After the dishes are done, we're going to continue moving from left to right, top to bottom, all the way around the kitchen. When cleaning your stainless steel, spray it down with a multi-purpose and dry it up completely before adding a polish if you want to. We use Wyman's for our polish. If you sprayed the microwave down before you started cleaning the kitchen, the microwave is going to be very easy to clean. To clean the stove grates, we fill a bucket with steaming hot water and powdered laundry detergent and scrub those babies down. Our Barkeeper's Friend has been sitting on the stove for about 30 minutes, so it should be really easy to wipe clean. And 20 minutes later, we have a beautifully clean kitchen.